Hi guys, so I am starting the flaps here. I'm doing the right flap now. I did my left flap off camera so I can get myself used to how it's assembled, so I can pass along my experience and what I've learned to you guys as I do the right one on camera. Hey guys, okay, so I have the right flap skeleton assembly cleated in place. I just wanted to point out a few things to you guys because I did not know when I did the left side. The 1004 ribs, the nose skin ribs, if you can see, let me kind of turn this over, hang on. All right, that's a better view. So the nose skin ribs, these two holes are not drilled at all. So I was kind of questioning, but I guess they expect you to know all this stuff already. They expect you to know stuff that is not in the plans. But so basically, Vance told me you have to cleco the skin and match drill these holes. Also, make sure you guys label the center hinge assembly and then the inboard and the outboard hinge bracket assembly, so you know to put them back in the same spot when you final assemble. Also, the ribs for the flaps, they all face outboard with the exception of the inboard flap that faces inboard, and you have to bend this to the contour of the web of the main spar. Hi guys, welcome back. Jersey Pilot 83 here. It's been a while since I had a video come out because I've been dealing with Van's aircraft and the laser cut part issue. But I was going through my old pictures when I did my inventory, and I saw a picture I took with the flap spar covered in blue plastic. So that's a good thing. So I was riveting the spar and the ribs together just a little while ago, but I wanted to wait until I verified that the spar was not laser cut and it was punched. So with that blue plastic, I did verify that. So I went ahead and I finished the riveting of the spar and the nose ribs here. I got all these ribs done. right flap, riveting the top skin onto the flap bar. Start with the inboard side. Alright, this first hole gets the 8026-3-4, and the rest get the 3-5. Alright guys, so I got the right flap rivets all done. The only thing left to do is the trailing edge, and I'm doing that now. So I just mixed a batch of Pro Seal, and what I'm going to be doing is I got this half-inch square aluminum bar from Lowe's. So this was for the left side, and the holes are just the reverse mirror, and I'm going to click them in place, and it holds the entire trailing edge straight. So I'm going to get this Pro Seal applied to both top and bottom of the inside of the trailing edge, and then I'm going to put a Cleco in each end of both pieces. And then I'm going to lay it down, trailing side up, and Cleco it to this square aluminum bar here. Alright guys, so here is the final result. It's going to cure now. I'm going to put some weights on the trailing edge portion to hold this down. Looks good. So let this cure. It's August now, so it's hot here. It's about 85 degrees, so this should cure in one day. I'm going to give it 2 days. So when this cures, I will be back to do my final riveting of the trailing edge, and then it's going to go on to the wing. Like I said before, I have the aileron hooked up, so I just got to put the flap on so I can align these two so they're even. All right guys. So I'm going to start in the center, and I'm going to work inboard and outboard. So you want to keep the rivet gun. The same principle applies to all the trailing edges of the RV-10. So you want to set these halfway perpendicular to the rivet, and then you want to angle over and drive it the rest of the way. Let me show you guys. This light kind of hopefully helps out. Yeah, this is the bottom side of the right flap. And over here to the top side, which is the more visible side, they all sit nice and flush. a little Pro Seal on the skin, but yeah, looks really nice, guys. I'm very happy with the results. So now, next week, I'm going to be installing the flap on the right wing so I can set the flap and aileron to the neutral positions, so then I can final torque this push rod here, and then tighten up this servo. That's all, guys. Have a good weekend, and please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and follow along as I finish building the wings, and then the fuselage is coming next. All right, take care, guys. Be well.